right, this is demo dog number 3. This is Cherry. Are you ready? Beehive Grange. Ready, set, seek. Alert! Good girl. Good job. Okay, seek. Just a reminder, this whole room is empty. There are a couple food distractors out here, along with these other distractors. You gonna play Seek? You forgot what we're doing with all the distractions, huh? Yeah, that's food. Here, let's look at the chairs. Chairs aren't much a distractor, but in this case, it's very easy to get lost in them. Not sure which chair you looked at. And if I was presented with this, I would see these clover leaves here and go, that's a great opportunity for convergence. She's wagging her tail more, which usually means that she's getting closer to the odor. For her, once she knows that she finds it, her tail usually stops wagging. Alert! Good girl! Good job! Good girl, good job. Okay, Seek. Did you find everything in there? You got that one. Good girl. Good girl, you got that one. Keep going. Alert! Good girl. Good job. Okay. Good girl. Let's go. Did you check everything? Let's go up here. Seek. You got everything? Come on. We'll see if she naturally gets sucked into the entryway here because she left a couple in there. Alert! Good girl! Good girl! Good job. Okay, Seek. Okay, is there anything else? Alert! Good girl, good girl. Oh my goodness, did you drop one? Good girl. So she picked up that one and that one in here. So let's go into the kitchen. Seek. She's like, there's nothing even in here. Come on, let's move around. You gotta check corners. Because there might be a inaccessible that's hidden. It makes it a little bit harder for the odor to pollute the room. Good girl. Keep going. Good girl. If I was doing a trial of this, I would definitely come back out into this big blank room because it just seems highly unlikely there would be nothing there. And as much as she's now searching this, it's kind of interesting because she first blew through here and didn't even stop and look. And now that I asked her to look and actually not rewarded her, but told her she was doing a good job, she's like, I think I'll look more. Yeah, she's picking that up from outside. So how about we just go outside and then we can come back and look. Seek. Ooh. I ended up putting tape on there because I couldn't, the dogs kept on telling me there was residual or something there. This way. Come on, Cherry. Seek. Seek. So this is a good reminder if a dog was very interested in the door on the other side, but then came out and didn't hit on it, it's because the air change completely changed it. Keep going. Where is it? You show me. It's not there, is it? Keep going. Cherry Bear. So this corner one must be the challenge one for the day. Alert! Good girl. She does not like to jump up on anything, but there we go. See, it's right there. Yeah, good girl. All right, but the reminder of, remember, she was interested in the door and she didn't pick up anything in the door because coming outside is completely different than inside. So if I had a dog that was interested in the door, I would make sure that they check the door on the outside too. Alert! Good girl. Good job. All right, I want you to check the trailer. Come here. Check the trailer. Seek. All right, this way. Come here. Anything here? All right. We'll go back in and do one quick swoop. All right, Zeke, come on. She's gotten everything, but if this was a trial and I had 12 minutes, I would make sure that she checked everything again. Not necessarily the bowls, but like this. Did you check these? Did you check those? I don't think she picked up the food here. The food was down below. I'm more wanting her to pick it up so she realizes that she needs to leave the odor alone, but it looks like she is. The food odor alone. Finished, good girl.